Hi, welcome to CATIBI5 video tutorial. I want to redo the very old ones, and that's one of the old ones, a very basic one. So let's take a look at the drawing. Here it is. You could make a screenshot. I think it's not really necessary because it's a very simple and basic exercise. But let's have fun with CATIBI5. Let's start with a sketch on the YZ plane. Let's use a position sketch, but it doesn't really matter, at least for the first one. I want to hide those yellow projected elements, and I need a rectangle, and I don't want to use those parallel constraints, so I will delete them. Now, that rectangle should be 56 by 118. It should be aligned with the y-axis here, coincident, and make it symmetric to the z-axis. Leave that sketch. Make a block and extrude, make it symmetric extend, mirrored extend 30 millimeters and confirm. Now I want to use a 3 tangent fillet. So that's the face to fillet. That's the other one, face to fillet, and that's the one to remove. Confirm. Same here, go for another one. This should be filleted, that one, and this one should be removed. Nice. Now next sketch should be on the ZX plane. Here I want to swap the axis, and yeah, that's okay. Again, I want to hide those. I need a circle. Diameter should be 60. That center point should be aligned with the z-axis, coincident, and the distance here should be 30. Finish that sketch. Make another block, make it again mirrored extend, make it 30 millimeters and confirm. Now I need a hole, so select the edge, go for the hole, select the face, it's centered, and that sketch is already ISO constrained. It should be blind, yes, no, I want to go up to last. Diameter should be 30. And confirm. Then select this edge here, go for the hole tool, select the face. It should go up to last and should be 32, and confirm, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.